Want a makeup look that works for any occasion? Natural makeup is the answer. It's perfect for the office, school, or just hanging out. This look enhances your features without looking too made up. It lets your natural beauty shine through. Plus, it's easy to do even if you're short on time. Ready to embrace the natural glow? Let's get started. Before we begin, prepping your skin is key. This ensures a flawless makeup application. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities. Next, apply a lightweight moisturizer to hydrate your skin. If you have any blemishes, dab on a bit of concealer. Now you're ready for makeup. Remember, healthy skin is the foundation of any great makeup look. For a natural base, use a tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Apply it evenly with your fingers for a sheer finish. Next, define your eyes with a light brown or taupe eyeshadow. Apply it to your eyelids and blend upwards towards your brow bone. Add a touch of mascara to your lashes for length and definition. Finish with a tinted lip balm or lipstick in a nude or pink shade. And there you have it, a simple and effortless everyday natural makeup look. Remember, makeup is all about expressing yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Try different products, colors, and techniques. Have fun with it. The most important thing is to feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. Embrace your natural glow and let your inner beauty shine through.